Welcome to eTutions, Education for Better Tomorrow. I am Devashmita and I'm your English teacher. And today I'm going to teach you a lesson of class 6 packed with the Sun book, and the topic's name is The Tale of Two Birds. Okay? So from the picture and from the title head you can well guess that this story is about birds, and it is here written also that the tale of two birds मतलब दो चिड़ियों की कहानी. So today we will read about birds. Actually we will read the story of two birds, right? Okay, so let's proceed. It's said that if we want to know about a person, then look for his three friends. Okay, so if we want to know about someone, how they are and what they do and what kind of person he or she is, then we have to look for three of his friends, so that we can know that वो किसके साथ घुलता है, किसके साथ मिलता है, किसके साथ उठता है, किसके साथ बैठता है. ठीक है, so that we can get an idea कि okay, he is friends with a good person, then yes, perhaps he is a good person, and if his company is some kind of bad, then of course maybe perhaps he is a bad person. Okay, it's just a analysis that we can get from analyzing his three friends, right? And ऐसा यहाँ पे क्यों लिखा है? Because our company decides who we become. Okay, so with whom we make friendship, they only decide that who we become in future, right? Okay, so ये चीज़ मैंने क्यों कही, अब इसका रिलेशन हमारे स्टोरी के साथ क्यों है, that thing we will know when we'll get into the story. So let's get into the story. Okay, अच्छा. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall shady tree, and their mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. Okay, so there are three birds in a nest, right? Two babies and the mother, and they used to live in a tall tree. And the mother bird used to take care of her babies day and night wholeheartedly. जैसे कि होता है ना, हम अगर चिड़ियों के बच्चों को देखते हैं तो उनकी माँ उनका घोंसला छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाती है, because she continuously is protecting her babies, right? So similarly here also we can see. अच्छा. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. And now what happens? That one day there is a heavy storm. ठीक है, बहुत जोरों का तूफान होता है. And what happens? There is a lots of lightning, thunder, there is so much wind that the tall trees are bending here and there. Okay, and in the tall tree in which the bird used to live also came down. Okay, वो नीचे झुक गया था, right? Okay, a big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the mother bird. Okay, so now what happens? A big branch hits the mother. ठीक है, चिड़ियों का घोंसला को हिट किया and now the mother is dead. Okay, fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. But what happens to the baby birds? They were saved. Okay, they were blown away. हवा ने उनको उड़ा लिया. And where the wind put them? In the other side of the forest. Okay, so the wind took them to the other side of the forest, right? One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside the Rishi's ashram, a little distance away. Okay, so now we know where are both the birds. One was near the Rishi's ashram and the other was near the cave with the gangs of robbers. Robbers का मतलब क्या है आपका? चोर या फिर डकैत. Okay, जो लूटपाट करते हैं. Okay, so one was near the ashram and another was near the cave. Okay, they both were aparted. Okay, so let's proceed. आगे क्या होता है? अच्छा, days passed and the birds became big birds. ठीक है, and जैसे जैसा दिन ढलता गया, गुजरता गया, the birds become big. The king of the country one came to the forest to hunt. And in which country these birds were living, there was a king. Okay, and the king came to the forest to hunt. ओके, ऐसा होता है ना कि राज परिवारों में कि राजा आते हैं हंट करने के लिए. ओके, हिरन विरन मार के घर ले जाते हैं. सो सिमिलरली द किंग केम टू द फॉरेस्ट टू हंट. ही सॉ अ डियर एंड रोड आफ्टर इट. ओके, नाउ ही फाउंड अ डियर एंड उसके पीछे भागने लगे घोड़ा लेके. इट रेन डीप इनटू द फॉरेस्ट फॉलोड बाय द किंग. एंड नाउ जिधर जिधर हिरन भाग रही थी, द किंग वॉज रनिंग आफ्टर इट. ओके, अच्छा. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. And now हिरन का तो घर है जंगल, बट अब राजा को तो हर जंगल का रास्ता तो पता नहीं है. So now he is lost. खो गया वो. Okay. He rode on for a long time till he became tired. He came to the other side of the forest. Okay. So वो बहुत देर तक अपने घोड़े में घूमता रहा and later on he was tired and he came to the other side of the forest. Right. अब other side of the forest में कौन था? वो दोनों चिड़िया थी. Right. Okay. So he came to that side. He got off his horse and sat down under the tree that stood near the cave. Right. And now ये देखो, राजा घोड़े पे भागते भागते हिरन के पीछे आया एंड रास्ता घूम गया एंड ना वो घूम के एक पेड़ के नीचे चुपचाप बैठ गया बिकॉज ही वॉज टायर्ड इन फाइंडिंग द वे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out. Okay, उसने एक जोर की आवाज सुनी. Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he will slip away. Okay, now the king is hearing that someone is saying, quick, come here, come here. There is someone under the tree. Okay, he has lots of jewels. Let's take it and loot his horse also. Okay, so now he is hearing this. Okay, the king was amazed. ये सुन के king चौंक गया. He looked up and saw a big bird. Okay, big brown bird. And when he was surprised, he was searching for who said this. He found that there was a big brown bird on the tree. Right? Who was speaking these words? जो ये सब बोल रहा था. Okay. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He got quickly up on his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Okay, so now when he heard these things that somebody is coming to loot him, and now he can hear some low noises from inside the cave. Okay, now he was alert that people are coming to loot the king, right? So the king, for protecting himself, rode on his horse and ran away. Okay, घोड़े पे उठ के चला गया. Okay, यहाँ पे बर्ड ने बोल दिया ये सब एंड किंग उठ के चला गया. Right? Okay, so what happens next? Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. Okay, it was the Rishi's ashram. And now, after riding to some distance, the king came to a clear place. Okay, जहाँ पे थोड़ा clear था, मतलब घना जंगल इतना नहीं था. Okay, and it looks like an ashram. Okay, ashram पता है ना, जहाँ पे ऋषि मुनि रहते हैं. So that is, it looks like an ashram, right? अच्छा, The king tied his horse to the tree and sat in its shade. And now the king got down from his horse and sat under a shady tree by tying his horse. ठीक है, उसके घोड़े को बांध दिया. And now he was sitting under the shade of the tree, right? Suddenly heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest." ठीक है. And now again he is hearing some voice, and now this voice is telling that, "Welcome, sir. Come inside the ashram." Right? Somebody is welcoming him to the ashram. Okay. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable. Right? And now somebody is telling that there is some cold water. Go inside and have some water, take some rest. The rishi will be back soon. He isn't at home, and he will be back soon, right? The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. This one looks just like the other bird. Right? Now the king was amazed by seeing this bird even, because it was the exactly copycat of the other bird, the previous bird who was telling to loot the king. And now he said loudly to himself. जब कभी कभी होता है ना कि आप खुद से बात करने लग जाते हैं. So now the king is talking to himself and saying कि this bird looks exactly like the previous one. Okay? अच्छा. So what happens next? "You are right, sir," the bird answered. And the bird also heard that it looked just like the previous bird, and the bird is answering that, "Yes, sir. He is my brother, but he has made friends with the robbers." And now this bird is telling that the previous bird was his brother, but now as he has made friends with the robbers or the chores or the ducats, right? Okay. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore. And now he just imitates them or repeat their words, right? And now they are this bird and the previous bird are not talking to each other, right? Because क्या होता है ना, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले कहा था कि if you are friends with someone, you need a common topic to discuss, right? कि अगर आप फ्रेंड्स हो तो यू नीड अ कॉमन टॉपिक जिसके ऊपर आप बात कर सको. बट दीज टू बर्ड्स आर कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. एक अच्छा बोलता है, एक बुरा बोलता है. एक ऋषि के पास रहता है, एक मतलब डकेट्स के पास रहता है. सो डेफिनेटली दे हैव नथिंग इन कॉमन. ठीक है. सो दे डोंट टॉक एनी मोर, राइट? Just then the rishi entered the ashram, and after that what happens? The rishi enters the ashram, right? "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself comfortable at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." And now finally the rishi has arrived to the ashram, and he is telling that king, please come inside, okay, and take some rest. You are looking very tired, right? And come, we will have our food inside the ashram. Okay. The king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. And now the king is telling the story of the two birds, that one was trying to rob him and another is welcoming to the ashram. They are so different in their behavior. The forest is full of surprises. And finally he exclaims, he says that the forest is full of surprises because they both looked exactly the copycat, but they both behavior are so different. Okay. The holy man smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. Right? Up now the rishi is telling that what is there to be surprised. He smiles and says that what is there to be surprised. Okay. One is only known by his company only. कि जिस तरह की वो दोस्त बनाता है उसी तरह का उसको पहचाना जाता है. right? अभी suppose if I am friends with APJ Abdul Kalam, then people will know that yes, I am a good person. And if I would make friends with Osama bin Laden like people, then yes, people will say me I am a terrorist, right? So जैसा आप फ्रेंड सर्कल बनाते हो, you become one of them. Okay? अच्छा. The bird has always heard the talk of the robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. And now the Rishi is telling that bird has always listened to the robbers talking that we will loot this, we will loot that, and he now imitates that. Right? This one repeats what he has always heard, and this one repeats what he has always heard in the ashram, like good things, right? So he welcomes the people, right? He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside, rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds. And now Rishi is telling that king, please come inside my ashram and we will talk about this forest and these birds. Okay? So here is the end of our story. And what did we learn? After all, one is known by the company one keeps, right? कि हम जिनके साथ भी दोस्ती करेंगे, we will reflect their characteristics, right? वो जैसे हैं हम में भी कुछ वैसा ही गुण आ जाएगा, automated. So it's said that make good friends, choose good friends, ठीक है? So that you also become a good person. Right? Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and comment below. And do not forget to download the eTutions application because we provide quality education for CBSE and DSE. Thank you.